Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, no matter where you are in the world. Thank you for joining me. My name is BTick. This is the Balloon Sculptor. And, some things we've learned so far are things that are big, twists that can be used for big things. But one of my favorite twists, because it's different. Now, it's not a twist you're going to use all the time, but, well, I like it. It's called the tulip twist. And after you tie your balloon, like we covered in one of the first videos, you'll have this nice knot right there. A tulip twist is, well, you take that knot, you push it inside the balloon, you turn it a couple times, and that knot's right there now. And I push it back up, and it gives me this nifty little tulip. Now, it's also great for, lie detecting. I am the best YouTuber of all time. Okay, I am not, but I'm pretty good. Um, yeah. I hope to be good someday. There we go. So the thing with these are they're very simple, but they are the same technique we'll use on a very advanced technique. Now, let me show you that one. This used to be called the marriage knot. If you go back to the long time books, like 30 plus years ago, 40 years ago, or the witch's knot. And there's been other names for it, the joining knot or the coupling knot. But what you do is you actually take two balloons and make them one. So this balloon here, I'm going to inflate with a longer neck than normal, and you'll see why. And I'm going to tie it to this one to give myself as much room as I can. All right, you see how those balloons are tied together? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that knot and push it inside the red one. And push that knot back up just a little bit to lock it in place. Now, I have a cucumber with a hat. Didn't know Larry Boy was a Shriner. Okay. But the things you can do with this give you another tool for that toolbox. Now, given there's not a lot of times you're going to want something like this. But more than once, I've given a dozen tulips to someone as a reward, or a mom after a birthday party or something. With knowing also how to do the marriage knot or the witch's knot or whatever the new name for it is now, it gives you something to keep building on. The more ways we know how to work with balloons, the more we can do, the more smiles we can bring. So that is the tulip twist. And remember, a smile is free, a thank you only takes a moment, but an encouraging word can change a life forever.